To customize icons on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the home screen and style, and then you can click on customize underneath the home screen. And navigate to the icon style right here, and that way you'll be able to switch between first different styles. So you can apply one colored icons if you want. That's how they will look like depending on which color you choose. Then there's the liquid gold, which is a default icon style. You can also go for transparent icons and colorful transparent icons. And lastly, you can go for more, and if you've downloaded any different icon styles from the themes store, you'll be able to apply them right here. Now, if you've chosen one of those options, you may notice that some of the options below will be locked down, so the most options you will get in liquid gold. Here we can change the size for the icons. We can also make the icons more rounded or more like a square, and we can also hide or reveal app names. Now, to apply your settings, go back and click on done to save it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.